Hello, I was asked to test out this knife sharpener. This is the Chef's Choice Professional Model 130 sharpening station. One feature about this sharpening station is it has stage 1 with diamond discs, stage 2 is a sharpening steel, and stage 3 are flexible polymer discs. So stage 1, 2, 3, you use them in a variety of sequences depending on how dull or how sharp your knife is and what type of knife it is. For normal sharpening, you're supposed to use just stage 2 or stage 3, or 2 and 3. For serrated knives, you use stage 3 only. If your knives are very dull, you pull them through stage 1 several times before the other stages. So we're going to give it a whirl here. I got some of the neighbor's knives. This is an old Chicago knife here, and it's not very sharp. It's cutting paper but barely. And we're going to pull it through here first. Stage 1. Stage 2. Stage 3. Okay, let's check it out. Sharper. We can get it sharper still. One thing about this sharpener is you don't want to push very hard. Let the machine do the work. Any knife. One thing I notice, the machine does give you the perfect angle for pulling your knives to it. So you want something easy, fast, and simple. I think the machine works pretty good. Stage 2. Stage 3. You can see the machine is very easy to use, and it is made in the USA. That's another benefit. Let's test this knife out. Piece of paper just to see if it's sharp enough to use. Yeah, not bad.